Madison, and today we will be showing you an easy, quick way how to do a Palm Sunday easy craft. Make it as a hat.
The supplies needed for this craft is fairly simple, and you should have laying around the house already. All you need are white paper to paint on, scissors, pencil, paintbrush, paint palette to put the paint on, acrylic paint, the color of your choice, and depending on the age of the child that is painting, possibly a cover-up for clothes. Now all you need to do is take the paper, whatever size you chose, and fold it in half. You're going to be drawing your image on one side of the paper. So draw the overall outside shape of your leaf on your paper, and then you're going to go back in and add some triangular cutouts that will add the cutouts for the leaf. And you can do this however many you want to. For my kids, I'm going to have them putting something on each of the little sections, so I didn't want to add too many. So you're just going to simply cut out your shape of your leaf and go back in and cut out the little triangle portions that you drew in as well. And when you unfold your paper, you will have your palm branch all nice and perfect and symmetrical looking. And voila, there you have it. Your palm branch is ready to go. Now you've got your cutout palm branch, and you're going to lay it on another sheet of white paper. And you're just going to take your Sharpie or your pencil, whatever you prefer, and trace around the leaf that you had cut out. Now, you don't have to do this. You could just paint on the one you cut out. But for me and my kids and their age, I wanted to give them a little bit of wiggle room and not worry about getting paint everywhere. So I traced my stencil that I made on 3 sheets of paper, and then that's what I had my kids paint on top of. And then when they're done, I will cut the sheet back out for them. All right, we're getting ready to do our Palm Sunday craft, because what is today?
Palm Sunday.
Okay.
Palm Day.
And do you guys remember what Palm Sunday means?
No, I don't know.
We just watched the video.
Jesus sent his disciples to get a donkey.
Yes, and then what?
Then they put it on the ground, and then he walked on it.
The donkey? No. What did they lay at Jesus' feet as he walked through Jerusalem?
Palm trees.
Palm branches. Wait, Alyssa, wait. Okay. Yeah, so Jesus was visiting Jerusalem, and he sent his disciples to stop to get a donkey. Yes. And as he rode through the city and people praised him, Alyssa, come back. They laid the palm branches at his feet.
Yeah.
Because they realized a king was walking through.
Who's in Jerusalem?
Jerusalem is the city Jesus visited.
Jerusalem.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So, show me your palm branches. We've done the stencil of our palm branches here. Come on, Alyssa. And we are going to do what with them?
We're painting them.
We're going to paint them. And then when we are done painting them, we are going to take permanent marker.
We're going to pray for our enemies.
Oh, okay, yes, you can make that one of the pieces. We are going to go onto our palm branches, our palm leaves, and on these pieces, we're going to write different things we should pray for, right? Okay, so let's get to painting. And when they're completely done painting, just go ahead and set it aside and let it dry. Or if you're impatient like me, take your heat gun to it until it's completely dry, and any areas with more paint are going to need a little more time to dry. And then take each piece and cut it out. Cut out the little triangles as well, and you'll be left with your palm leaves. Okay, so now, stop. Now we are done making our leaves. Show me your leaves, guys. Listen, let me see your leaves. Let me see your palm branch. Okay, yep. All right, so now we need to, oh, very pretty. I like it. Good job. Okay, so now we are going to, what are we adding to each section of the palm leaf?
We're praying for every single word. We're praying.
We're putting something on each of the sections of the palm leaf that we should pray for, right? Okay, so what's one thing you guys would like to add?
We pray for Jesus and we pray for our family. Okay,
Yes,
I'm just gonna put
family.
pray for family.
You can put family on one of the things. Kids, I'll help you spell yours. We'll do family, and you can write it big so you can read it when you go up to your door, because we're gonna hang these on your bedroom door.
Yep.
Okay. Let's think of something else. What's something else that's important to pray for?
Jesus. Nothing.
Well,
We're
something else we can. Yeah.
Help.
Your health. Your health is very important.
Snort is thinking though.
Okay, we're losing the attention here. We're drifting off. All right. What's something else?
County.
County.
No. Praying for our earth of the musical.
I think you were looking for country.
Over the United States of America.
America.
Which
Yes.
is cuckoo.
It is very important we pray for our country.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe.